All right, so another day, finishing the day down, another red day, down 13 on the day. Very frustrating today. SPRT was the monster this morning, and I was watching this. I mean, I had it on my radar. I know I saw it pop up and flush, and I thought that was it, but then volume picked up, and I saw it right on this level. And I told myself, I was like, no, I'm not going to get in this because the downside. I thought there was a huge downside risk over if I were to buy this, and there could have been. This could have easily flushed, reversed, and just flushed it through this whole level. It would have been down $3 or $4 a share. And after the loss from yesterday, I wasn't willing to take that much risk on a stock, but it ended up going $25, and could have been a good winner. And I didn't buy any of these pullbacks. I didn't participate at all in SPRT, and it made such a nice move. And I thought because of the MOMO we had in the momentum we had in SPRT, we would get some more movement in other stocks. But there wasn't really anything there. I mean, NURO made a move, but I was so late to the party. Um, I just couldn't. I've just today, the past 2 days, I just felt like my head was on backwards. I was just doing the opposite of everything that I should be doing. I should have been buying when I was selling and selling when I was buying. And it felt like no matter what I did, it would just, as soon as I placed that trade, it would just go in the opposite direction. It almost felt like there was somebody on the other end looking at my order and then directing the market the other way, which is completely ludicrous because I'm trading 10 shares at a time. So who the fuck is interested in shaking out somebody who has like a 20 or 30 share position in a stock? So it's completely ludicrous to think that. But anyways, let's go over the trades. Didn't trade that much today. NURO was the first one I jumped on. Let's see here. All right. So NURO popped up in the open. Not at the open at 7:15. Pretty much saw it squeeze through the high. And I tried buying the pullback. I think it was going to make another leg higher, and ended up, well, this was sort of a scratch trade here, and then I bought the dip here and sold for a small profit there. And then I thought this was going to keep going, and I bought literally the high, $13.99 for the squeeze through 14, break through the high, and go higher, adding on to the breakout. Ended up failing. There's a small loss on that one. And then at the open, I was looking for that red to green, and I bought here, and then it ended up coming back, and I stopped out break even. And then it went dipped even more, and then it did the red to green. And at this point, somewhere around 9:45 in this area, I took this off my watch list because I thought it was done, and I didn't even notice until it was into a halt here, or no, up in here, I was in the halt, and then I bought the dip, and then fucking got like a small win there, and then here I sold too soon, and it's just a mess. It was just a freaking mess. It was so stressful. This could have been a good win here if I would add into it. I was just a lot of frustration the past 2 days, and I mean, obviously, it's a sign that I know I'm doing something wrong, and the frustration is an aid to allow me to adapt to the market and better my strategy and my psychology. So the frustration and the emotional pain is a benefit in that sense, but growth does not feel good in the moment. So I just have to be aware of that and think from the end instead of being so stuck in the moment. Today is a red day, but if I expand my awareness, I am still green on the month. I've only maybe given back 25% of my profit on the month. in the past 2 days. It could have been way worse. And, I'm stopping the day minus 12. And so I'm completely stopping any chance of a repeat of yesterday. And if I had a repeat of yesterday, already being down almost to my max loss and then taking one more trade and sizing in even heavier, this could have been a disaster day, and I could have given back all the profits on the month. But still green on the month. It's a somewhat red on the week, but still green in the month. I'm keeping my losses controlled. That's all that matters. I'm not completely losing my shit and just keep doubling down and doubling down and doubling down, because I've already been down that path and it's not fun at all. So I'm stopping it here. Next week, this weekend, I'm going to review my stats and my trades from the week and try to really prepare for Monday and see, try to get myself out of this hole and just get some more base hits and build up my confidence again and adapt to this new market. But yeah, anyhow, I don't think I reviewed this, but I tried buying the dip here and shaking out, and then I was buying for the break of 16, and then this candle pulled back here and got shaken out here, and then it popped up, and I literally added at 16.13 at the high, pulled back, stopped out, break even. So just got chopped around here. I just don't have the confidence for the bigger move. I don't know why. It's just maybe the market. I have no idea. I have no freaking clue. Okay, then another stock, NURO. Oh no, we just did NURO. TCAT. Here is a freaking mess. Look at this. This is just an absolute mess. TCAT. This is the one I was trading in the open. Dipped, got bought up. I was ready to add for the red to green move, for the move higher. Didn't happen. Ended up stopping out break even. I sold some here in profit and then sold some here for a loss. So pretty much net break even on that one. And then I added here. Break even trade here. Actually, this one was a loss. Here, bought the dip. No, not bought the dip. I wasn't buying the dip. I was buying this red candle here, in which I stopped out way down here. Holy shit, that was a nice 4% loss. Luckily, only on 10 shares. That was it. That was the one that got me today. I was really looking for that move higher. And then it just chopped and faded. So that one was that. NNA. I think I traded this pre-market, right? Yeah. I was looking for this move for the continuation all the way up through the high. I was going to add through the high. It didn't end up happening. Small loss. Semi. I thought this one was going to have potential pre-market. Added on this first dip at 8.10 or 8.11. And small win. Didn't end up holding anywhere. I don't know. It was really small size. I should have had bigger size on that. And then here, 23. I was looking for the break of the high here. And then, this was a good trade. I just needed bigger size here. So you have somewhat of a bull flag here. So you got a bull flag there, broke out. I was looking for the breakout of the high. I was adding, and then I was adding for the break of 25. Adding, I was in 30 shares, and then I rode it all the way up. I didn't sell. I sold some at 26, and held the rest through this pullback here, and then added. I was in 50 shares at 34. I thought I was going to go higher, and then I started taking profit when it failed to just move higher, and it wasn't really much. I didn't really make much on that, which I'm surprised because I could have gotten at least a 5% move, and if I had a bigger size, I could have made a decent profit on that, and that was it. I think that was it. Yeah, but that's just how it is. I don't know. Today was just a crazy day, and there goes SPRT. We're gonna see another leg higher here. It's gonna open in less than a minute, so let's watch this. I'm not gonna trade this. If I trade this, I will be highly disappointed in myself because I didn't. If I didn't trade it here, I'm sure as hell not trading it in here. No way. But so it's just hard not to like get lost in the daily mistakes because it feels like I will never become profitable again. It's like this is it. This is my downfall. That's what it feels like. My short little spurt of success in trading is now on the backside. But I just have to keep my losses small and keep moving forward. When this halted down, I completely missed the resumption here, but this would have been a good opportunity down here to buy. Wow, look at this. Can I get short here? It's not to borrow. What if this goes all the way up past 55 and just keeps going? I mean, anybody who is in short after the open is nervous right now, for sure. But I don't know if they're adding here or if they're looking to cover. It looks like they're looking to add for the move lower. All right, well, that's it for me. Red on the week, red on the day. Controlled losses. I think I'm only about $30 red on the week, so completely manageable. Off the highs, 13 plus 53. 13 plus 53 is 66. So 66 off the highs of my account. I've been here before. I can get out of it. Just gotta stop taking a big loss. I mean, if I have smaller losses again, that's fine. Starting next week, I just have to keep them controlled. And eventually, according to my statistics, I'm going to start having some good trades again and back on that profit train. So looking forward to next week. I have a lot of work to do this weekend to review all these trades that I made this week and logging everything and all my stats. And so hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys didn't take any L's on SPRT. Hopefully you made a lot of money. So I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.